Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another awesome video for ya. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Has sitting home all day gotten the best of you? Are you tired of having nothing to do? Are you looking for ways you can make money online? Well then, this is just a video for you. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best ways you can make money online. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Here's a list of ways in which you can make money from the comfort of your homes. Number 1. Online tutoring. Online tutors provide instruction and information to students on several subjects having a distance learning format. The teacher and the student can both be sitting in their homes and be able to interact with each other. There are many training institutions that train you to become an online tutor. First of all, you need to determine your requirements. How qualified are you? Do you have the needed qualifications? What subject are you going to teach? You also need to come up with a course of your own and then choose a platform to sell your courses. Secondly, you need to have a proper audience and to know your audience. What do they ask for? The more potential you have, the more creative your teaching method is, the bigger audience you'll get. After that, you market your e-learning program and you're good to go. Number 2. Drop shipping. Have you ever heard of drop shipping? If not, then we're here to tell you. It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This way, you don't have to buy stuff in bulk and worry about being able to sell all of it. You can simply buy something from Amazon and ship it right to your customer. Most dropshippers, however, ship products from China using AliExpress. This has the added benefit of being way cheaper, and also with AliExpress, you get a ton of discounts on bulk offers. Number 3. Start a blog. If you're serious about making money online, start a blog. Blogging is one of the easiest and most maintainable income sources. As long as the blog is set up in the right niche, in the right way, with the right content, and is targeted at the right audience, you can make a tremendous amount of passive income from a blog. The offer also needs to be complementary to the content. While some might think that starting a blog requires a lot of effort, when you understand the precise steps you need to take, it becomes far easier. It all starts with the decision of choosing a profitable niche and picking the right domain name. From there, you need to build your offers. Things like training sessions, mini email courses, ebooks, and products can easily be sold there. Number 4. Try print on demand. Are you good at art and designing? Then we have another option for you. Print on demand. Print on demand is proving to be a popular option too. Graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on clothing and other products to monitor their art better. With your unique designs, you can create a consistent and established brand for your business. Since you don't need to have an inventory or deliver the products to the customers yourself, it's pretty similar to dropshipping as well. The only differences are that you're able to add your own brand's label on the package. The shipping costs are high too, so you have to charge higher prices. If not that, then sell stuff in more bulk. You can easily find great suppliers in the US, Canada, and Europe. Number 5. Consider freelancing. You might be wondering what freelancing is. Well, we're here to tell you. Freelancing means that you work as an independent company rather than being employed by someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often referred to as independent contractors. If you're a writer, graphic designer, teacher, developer, then you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you for them. There's a never-ending list of websites for each sector of freelance jobs too. For example, freelance writers can apply for jobs on specific online writing job boards, but there's also general freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and all the others. If you find that your job doesn't have direct online money-making streams of income, you can look for other transferable skills you may have. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, and in the comments down below, let us know what you think of the video, and if you've ever earned money through the internet, let us know. We'll see you in our next one.